You got a laptop?
Maybe next week.
Yeah.
Wiggle.
I want to see the words.
Before, and, I was at 72, so, I'll be chatting.
Just came from your office, so it should be clean.
But
Oh,
I
I
haven't seen her.
Yeah, that's
So, but she's coming in on Saturday.
Well, that's the problem. That's what wouldn't, was,
But I would interrupt it because my English is better than German, and her German is better than her English, so we'll be.
This one. Yes, another version of.
Oh, yeah. But, she sent me, with this stuff about, yeah, that's what would you like to do?
You could open up on here and
And she's,
we have
on the
same count.
I never printed it.
I'm assuming.
Whatever you think is fine, I should go. And, take her with Woodall Factory. Yeah. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
It's a shame that we.
All right, let's get started. Go ahead and bring the first case in. Gabriella Marie Francis Howard. Right up here. All the way to the podium. All right, ma'am. Your attorney, Mr. Ducote, is at a conference and is unable to attend today. Did he notify you?
They told me something about it yesterday.
Okay.
I wasn't sure if we dropped it or not.
Due to that, we are passing your hearing. Your next setting is October 16th at 9 a.m. It's in person in my courtroom. I'll see you then. You're free to go. Come. Bring him in. Mr. Lane,
Afternoon, Judge.
good afternoon. Your client is not in the waiting room.
Judge, I talked to my client's mother. I have the situation right here. He is currently homeless. And he went to the Houston Recovery Center, Sobering Center for multiple weeks back in June. And he's been at the Salvation Army Men's Service Center for 2 months now, where they're trying to basically help him get back on his feet. He lives there with them at the moment. So
I still need him to show up to court one way or another.
I understand, Your Honor. They don't allow him to have cell phones. They don't. I mean, it's one of those things. I was hoping to be able to speak with the state about this because, I mean, it's a theft case, but it's literally what was taken was food. And given his homeless status and everything like that, I was kind of hoping the state would let me provide documentation about his staying at this Salvation Army and then potentially in exchange for a dismissal.
All right, state.
State's receptive to at least hear about this, but this is the first time we're hearing about it. So as far as right as today, we'd be ready to move forward on a bond forfeiture, but still willing to hear out what Mr. Lane is talking about.
How about
Your Honor, I don't have that information just yet. I was just told about all this today. His mom sent me a quick email of what's going on there, but she's going to try and get all the documentation to me so I can give it to the state.
do this? I'll do a bond forfeiture, but I'll hold the capias. I'll give you some time, a week, to get together all the information, provide it to the state, see if y'all can't come to some sort of agreement. If not, I want to see your client in my courtroom. So we'll go ahead and give you a date of when we're going to hold that till 9 a.m. on the 12th.
Okay.
Bailiff, go
I
ahead
will
and
get
call.
with the state. I will get with the state, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I said I'll get with the state, Your Honor.
Very good. All right, you're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
No, I'm very 235.
Don't enter it into PSRS if we're holding it. New bond set at 1,500.
Very well, thank you.
Christian Vasquez,
President.
get your client on.
Are you Mr. Hurd?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Hurd, make sure you speak into the microphone right there. Yeah. All right, we're on the record in 24 CCR 242091, State of Texas versus Christian Vasquez. Go ahead, counselor, give me an update.
The state, we submitted mitigation packet to the state. They're reviewing that right now. I guess they can explain going further.
State.
Yes, Your Honor, the defense submitted a PTI packet this week and we will be reviewing the case. I already went over with the defendant's counsel about the PTI review process. And we hope to get this case squared away before the next docket setting.
Pre-trial's next on 10/16. Okay,
Very well.
thank you for the update. You're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you so much.
Aguilar. Do we have Mr. Aguilar? Just hang tight. We'll come back to you. We move on to Bates. All right, come on up. Your attorney? Jacob, grab him. Have a seat. Have a seat, Miss Bates. Garcia. Not on Zoom. All right, quickly. It's a small docket today. Travis Mark Maduka.
President Counsel.
One up. We're on the record in 24 CCR 241738, State of Texas versus Travis Chibuki Mark Maduka. Okay, give me an update.
Here. Collecting some documents for the state to consider. We are asking state to consider terms for dismissal on the case. We have an offer of 15 deferred, but still have to turn those documents in.
Quickly. Free trials on 10/16. I'd like to have an answer from the state before then or by that date.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the update. You and your client are free to go. Okay, Wido. We're on the record in 24 CCR 240501, State of Texas versus Mark Stephen Wido. Mr. Hobson, if you'd give the court an update, please.
Sure, Judge. This is a case, it's a harassment case that is built on social media messages and text. So I've been working with Mr. Vinson to ensure that we have the whole world of texts or communications that are involved. He uploaded, I believe, some additional discovery yesterday. I have not reviewed it yet, but that's kind of where we are.
Does he have everything at this point?
He does, Your Honor. For our last conference, or status doc, I should say, defense counsel wanted for the state to tender a complete recording or complete transcript of the defendant's Facebook messages with the victim. And so I was able to finally make contact with the victim and did get a screen recording of the Facebook messages and upload them to the defense counsel. Unfortunately, we do not have any text message receipts because the victim's phone automatically deletes messages after 30 days. It's a setting that you put on the phone. And I have informed defense counsel of that. Regarding the additional discovery, yes, there was no PC affidavit attached to the Odyssey file. And so looking back at the case, I did discover that there was no PC affidavit. It was actually buried in the case file. So I went ahead and shared that, as well as the party data sheet. But besides that, everything that is outstanding has been shared.
Okay. All right, Mr. Hobson, we have pretrial on October 16th at 9 a.m. I'll see you and your client in my courtroom then.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
All are free to go. Martin Rodriguez. Let's bring him in. Rodriguez.
Is that John Joe Rodriguez, Judge?
No, Martin. Mr. Stornello. You're muted, so I can't hear you. All right.
Is that better?
Yes. Mr. Stornello, your client is not present in the Zoom waiting room or in the courtroom. Could you?
I've been trying to.
Go ahead.
Yep, sorry, Judge. I've been trying to reach him and I haven't had any responses.
State.
If the state would recommend that the court give defense counsel another opportunity to try to contact his client. And if we circle back to him and if there's no contact, the state would like to move for bond forfeiture.
All right, you got like less than 5 minutes, Mr. Stornello. See if you can't reach your client one more time. We'll come back to you.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Karma Harris. All right, we'll come back to him. John Joe Rodriguez.
Present with me, Judge.
We're on the record in 24 CCR 238538, State of Texas versus John Joe Rodriguez.
Judge,
Go ahead.
I provided with all the discovery. They've made a plea offer. I've made a counter. I'm gonna wait on the counter to see whether Mr. Rodriguez will accept it or not, and then we'll know where we're going.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, let's see. Pretrial is going to be on October 2nd.
Not a problem, Judge. If all goes well, within the next 2 weeks, I should have a response, and if we can get it believed before then, we'll do it.
Very good. Thank you. You're free to go.
Okay, you heard the date, right?
All right, now we're going to go through all the cases that were not here. So let's start with Aguilar. Do we have anybody in the waiting room? Still no Mr. Washington. Have we received any notice from Mr. Washington that he's not going to appear? You call from over the radio? Any response? All right, Mr. Aguilar. Your attorney's not appearing today. We don't know why. He usually appears every time or notifies us, so that's out of the ordinary for him. So we're going to go ahead and just pass your hearing for today. You're free to go. Your next court setting is, let me pull it up real quick. October 16th at 9 a.m. in here. You're free to go. Okay, Carolyn Bates. All right, we're on the record in 24 CCR 241862, State of Texas versus Carolyn Ann Bates. Go ahead and give me an update. Okay, so we're going to plea it right now.
If the court will accept it, the paperwork is ready.
That's fine. We'll do it.
Very well.
Get it done. Let's do it quick though, okay? I don't want to wait around till I've got to be out of here by 4:15 today, so don't
Very well.
drag your feet on this one. All right. Garcia, let's move on to that one.
I did send him to try to log it. Then he's in your own.
We're on the record in 24 CCR 241870, State of Texas versus Leonardo Abraham Garcia. Counselor, give me an update.
Your Honor, we just received a day that was the addition. Paying on a computer, so hopefully it is the. You, I think I gave my client the street beside the state of Houston office. We just reviewed this last, just of an officer's point of view to that case.
Okay. Anything from the state?
No, Mr. Melcher, summarized it, accurately. Essentially, it looked like we thought initially it was bad copies, but it was just like the disk itself was corrupted. So I requested a new copy, just got it in from Roseburg PD yesterday. I just gave it to Mr. Melcher not 30 minutes ago. So.
All right. Thank you for the update.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You and your client are free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Stornello's case. Rodriguez. Mr. Stornello, any luck?
No, Your Honor, I've called him, texted him, and sent him an email, and I haven't heard anything back. There was no answer when I called him.
State moves for bond forfeiture.
Bailiff.
Right, 249.
Okay, 1,500 bond conditions issued on October 9th, 2024 shall remain in place.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, you may. Thank you. Are you done? Yes, you may. Karma Harris. Let me know when you're done. It's in PSRS? I'm not seeing it come up. I see it now. Thank you. Do we have Karma Harris? We have David Ryan. State,
State would move for bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
bailiff.
No, after 251, Judge.
Prior bond conditions are from the 12th of July, 2024, and all the conditions that are on there are fine with the state, Your Honor.
The 12th of July, you said?
Yes, sir.
Granted 1,500.
Very well.
All right, that pretty much concludes our docket with the exception of the plea.
Yes, sir.
May I approach for this?
You may. Here you go.
And if we all may also approach, Your Honor, I'd like to introduce you to another prosecutor. Can we approach, Judge?
You may.
Here's Cameron Savard. He's gonna be your new DB prosecutor in about a few weeks.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I anticipate starting on the 25th, and I will be handling matters in courts, your court and court two.
Okay, so we're gonna lose Ms. Hicks. All right. Do you come from another county or?
I come 6, Your Honor.
Oh,
I
okay.
was in 6 by myself since January, and it was about time we do rotations, Judge, and they thought I'd be a good fit for domestic violence in courts 1 and 2, so I'm here to start.
Were you a general prosecutor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. All right. Good to have you on. Well, I'll be seeing you around.
Well,
Very good. All right. Let's get that plea taken care of.
I don't typically do it in place. I really only do it for a bit.
Oh, yeah, for arraignment.
If somebody is gonna show, because what if somebody's not gonna show up, they're not gonna wait till status to.
Also too, because we'll ask you to, but the law. So it's nice to have.
If it's state for the day, so it's like 50-50 shot, you know.
I know, yeah,
So, but obviously that's not. Well, so no contact orders, no. They will be first day.
that's amazing. So actually, I enjoy that as a mad, it's good life.
Just for